prepared us a speech. I wish myself well. So MainOne, as a connectivity provider, has been contributing to the last 30 years. We started off majorly as a connectivity provider in 2010, with landing starting from Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, and then also Nigeria. We had extensions into the landlocked areas and then also connection to Senegal. But basically what we try to do is that we have different interconnections that ensure that we have very low latencies and improved performance to our users. On the data center side of things, I mean, a while back, if you were to define what the internet would be, someone would say it's an interconnection of subsea cables. But today, based on the data and platforms that we always have to access, definitely there's that part of data that also needs to be hosted somewhere else. And that is where data centers come in. So today, you cannot really define the internet without mentioning data centers. So MainOne embarked on a journey from 2015 by establishing data centers in their region. Specifically, in 2021, we launched what we have as the Equinix AC1 IBX in Ghana. It's a highly certified data center with all the ISO certifications and security certifications to ensure that the services are delivered up to international standards for our clients. By virtue of our acquisition in 2022 by Equinix, which is the world's leading digital infrastructure company, we now have interconnection to the rest of the world, basically. So we are interconnected to almost every major metro, as we call it, through diverse connections, fabric interconnections. And we have over 270, almost 270 plus data centers around the world within 73 metros. So what we do actually works towards shortening the path for bandless connectivity anywhere in the world. If I were to break this statement into three sections, shortening the path, what we do by having local data domiciliation possibility shortens the path. You'll be able to host your information locally. You'll also be able to have very low latencies. Bandless connectivity will take us to where we are able to interconnect you with all the major players. I mean, now everything sits in the cloud. So with all the interconnections that we have, both in country and then outside, we're able to allow you to be able to achieve that. And then anywhere in the world is what we do with our forward-looking data centers that are built AI-ready and then also have present major metros around the world. We've been able to establish a very local hosted cloud infrastructure, which is based on the Azure stack, which mirrors exactly the Microsoft Azure stack implementation. And that allows you to be able to host your data in country where you may have like data domiciliation requirements or any other local requirement for you to host your infrastructure. And with this, we've been able to deploy solutions for customers in country. We also have been able to put together a solution that would allow you to be able to host your own dedicated infrastructure in partnership with VMware. This would have been the point where I would have shown the use cases that we've done for partners around the world, local partners from different industries, from banking to payment card system providers, universities, and global players and the likes. I mean, we work with all the major players to be able to ensure that meet their business goals, both and then also impact on the society. Thank you. Myself and my team will be available if you want to talk more about this. We'll be glad to help. Thank you.